I had a mother that showed me love at home, but because of violence, she's gone.
The subject matter may not be pleasant.
Every step of that tragedy was witnessed by me.
But these essays are written from the heart.
It was hard for a kid not being able to go outside and play with the others.
These members of the Criminal Justice Student Association and the Pre-Law Society at the University of Memphis have a difficult job to do.
Pick which one you think is best out of those.
They are judging how all 1,565 essays submitted by 7th and 8th graders at 33 different Shelby County and Memphis City schools answered 3 questions.
First is, how does violence affect them? Our second question is, what causes violence? What are the causes of violence? And then our third question is, what can be done to change how things are?
They would tell us that the lady had men inside the house that would do very bad things to them.
This is all a part of the Do the Right Thing challenge, sponsored locally by the Shelby County District Attorney General's Office.
A lot of these kids share examples of violence in their own lives or the lives of family members and are very candid about it.
You got 2 with 30s though.
Several years ago, the DA's office became overwhelmed judging the papers and came to the U of M's Department of Criminal Justice and Criminology for help.
We also wanted to create a situation where there would be a reciprocal response. I mean, in other words, an opportunity for students at the University of Memphis to actually learn from the experience as well. So it provides 2 learning opportunities.
This is an example of how the university can work with the community for a good cause.
This is all the females right here in this pile.
The U of M students are evaluating the essays and picking a male and female winner from each school.
We're rating their essays on content, originality, and responsiveness.
But they say some kids will start fights. Why can't the kids talk things over?
And these 2 finalists from each school get to attend a banquet in their honor. And the 2 students chosen as the overall area winners get a trip to Washington, D.C.
They get to see all of the nation's monuments and historical places and venues. They get to visit our U.S. Representatives, our U.S. Congressmen, our U.S. Senators. And then they get to talk to other teens their age across the country who are dealing with some of the same issues.
We can go through it and see the numbers on it.
But before that, the judges from the U of M must read every entry. And with that comes lessons that everyone can take with them forever.
Being a forensic analyst, I'm gonna deal with a lot of different kind of people. And so you have to understand where everybody is coming from. And so it does help you a little bit in your career if you can understand, because it starts here, it starts at childhood, it starts, you know, where parents are teaching their kids and where teachers are teaching their kids about how to live their lives.
We had people getting shot at night.
Reading something, you know, that actually happened here, you know, in your community, in your surroundings, nothing like learning what's going on in the textbook.
For the University of Memphis, I'm Simon Wright, Jr., philosophy major.